Hey everybody, what's going on? I found this antique store that's for sale in Oklahoma, and it's a pretty good sized building. I think it's on about 3 acres. This is kind of near the border of Oklahoma and Arkansas, and it's been for sale for a little while. Looks like they put some work into this. Floor looks nice. Bathroom. Back room area here. Have another back room here. Seems like a pretty good sized building overall. Roof looks pretty nice. Looks like they've put in an effort to keep this building pretty nice. Got these old cars out here. It's pretty cool. I like it. If the price is right, they might have a deal.